In this tutorial, you'll learn the 4 things that you need to know before you invest your hard-earned money in cryptocurrency. After years of unprecedented gains, the cryptocurrency market saw a dramatic drop in value in 2018. The market correction brought everything down and should make you a bit cautious with your crypto investments. Here are 4 things that you should know before investing your hard-earned income in cryptocurrencies. Understand the risks. When investing in cryptocurrency, it is imperative that you understand the inherent risks involved in these kinds of investments. If you are looking to buy into an ICO, know that you are buying into a startup and that most startups fail. Also, it's important to understand that crypto markets are not regulated, making it easier for a few of the more prominent investors to corner the market at your expense. Start small. It can be exhilarating to watch the value of cryptocurrency quickly rise. However, because it is still such a volatile market, you want to start small and avoid going all in. Try to keep your crypto exposure to a reasonable level. Your exposure limit will be different than anyone else's and should take in consideration your age, your income, and your level of wealth. You also want to make sure you diversify your crypto holdings. And remember that the more you spread your investments, the more likely you'll make a profit. Be picky. A broad market correction, no matter the investment, will bring everything down, both the good and the bad. Buying during a severe market correction means that you have the opportunity to shop around for great investments at a deep discount. Pay attention to the drivers that support the price of the currency and go after tokens with a strong fundamental demand for the platform they support. Don't be lazy. If you are dead set on buying into ICOs, you need to do a lot of research and get the dirty work done. In the first half of 2018 alone, more than 600 ICOs went to market, creating a lot of white papers to analyze. Before investing in these, you need to make sure that you are good at distinguishing a good startup from a bad one. You need to look at the founders and analyze their expertise and their track record, and determine if certain organizations are backing the blockchain application. Don't let the current downward trend keep you from considering investing in cryptocurrency. With the right amount of research and understanding, you can still invest in cryptocurrency and make a profit.